Good morning, Eagle Nation. It is Tuesday, the 6th of December, and the 78th day of school. Please join me as we begin our day with a moment of silence. Thank you. And now, your morning announcements.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Come along if you feel like a room without a roof.
Hope you are happy too. Wherever you may be, please stop, please stand. Let us rise together for this morning's Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. Before you are seated, please join me to build strength and habits. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you clap? 9, 10. All right. It's a Tuesday, the 6th of December. For those of you who celebrate, it is also the celebration of Saint Nicholas. That's something I celebrated in childhood because of my namesake. In any case, wherever you are, please tune in. We have ELA diagnostics going on this week. It's important that you do your best. Why? Because this is your chance to demonstrate what progress you have made since the first time you took this in August. That progress is going to be reported back to you so you can see your own growth, to your parents or guardians so that they can see your growth, and to your teachers so that they can plan for the future. So, do your best. Take the test seriously. Put away distractions and focus. If there's a case where you need to show your work, show your work, and your teachers can provide you more direction about when that is appropriate. And the reason that's important for you to show your work is that when you just select A, B, C, or D, we don't see the thinking that went on behind your response. We just see the response. So, for those cases where it's appropriate, and teachers, please provide guidance to your students, be sure to show your work. It's critical that you do that to ensure best possible instruction. Thank you, students, in advance for doing your best, and thank you, teachers, for setting your students up for success. Teachers, yesterday, if you didn't already see it, please be on the lookout for an email that has to do with upcoming parent conferences. There's a lot of detailed information in there about what to expect, about the timelines, the dates, communications that are expected to go home to parents, all of that. So please be sure that you see that email and that you read it very carefully. Also, I have posted on our Google site, for all of you students. There are 2 opportunities. I left day 3 up there yesterday because of our difficulties with the Beatles song. I left up Teen Recreates Entire Known Universe in Minecraft is an article on Newsella, and the question for you to respond to using a race response. But I also put up a new article that maybe you students will enjoy as these days continue to get shorter and shorter, meaning more and more hours of darkness and fewer hours of sunlight, the weather gets colder. That time period when it gets colder with less hours of sunlight we call winter. And animals go through a particular set of changes that helps them to stay warm. So this article is, where do animals' winter coats come from? You may be wondering, and you can read this short article to find out. This is day 4 of our Race to Response, and if you'd like to submit, there's a question posted for you on our Google site that teachers can do with you as a class, or you can do as an individual to submit your response. We'll be continuing to share those best responses as exemplars for now and for the future. So thank you in advance for participating. Prizes yet to come as you continue to collect points. Every time yours is the best selected response for your given grade level. So could be as many as 7 points awarded to, each day to 7 different students. We hope to see you on there. There's also, if you're looking for it, a sample race response with a sentence stem, but it's a sentence stem, one for each of the letters, R-A-C-E. So if you're looking for that, teachers, you don't have to recreate something. It's there for your use. Students, it's there for your use. And if you're new to race responses, it's okay. In fact, I would encourage you to use the formula. Then, as you master the formula, you can start to deviate and become a more skilled and nuanced writer. That comes with practice. For now, stick to the formula. All right, with that, let's get to some words of wisdom so you can get to the business of teaching and learning. But first, I forgot to tell you, the song that you heard today was Happy. It was a song dedication by Cielo. Thank you for that song dedication, Cielo. And she says, I'd like to dedicate this song to Ms. Romero. Thank you, Ms. Romero, for all that you do. And thank you, Cielo, for that song dedication. Today, our words of wisdom are on the topic of respect and peer pressure. So listen to this. Have you ever been dared to do something that could be dangerous? Have you? Did you do it? Or did you walk away? Listen to these words from Socrates, who was an ancient Greek philosopher. He said, more than 2,000 years ago, it takes more courage to flee when necessary than to die. So the next time someone dares you to do something you know you shouldn't, ask yourself this: why is she wanting me to do something that could hurt me? Or is the wrong thing to do? Is this person a true friend? The answer is clearly no. Friends do not dare each other to do things that could be harmful or hurtful. Anyone who encourages you to do something you know you shouldn't is not someone whose ideas you should respect. So today, and every day, show yourself the respect you deserve. And remember the words of Socrates: be courageous and walk away. With something to think about, this is Mr. Lodato. Mask up today. Hats, hoods, and sunglasses off indoors, then stay in your zones. Put away your phones. Make it a great day or not. Make it a happy day or not. Choice is yours.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm